Hello, and welcome to the most comprehensive online course on beginner's foundation level Microsoft Excel. You must be wondering why there is a need to master MS Excel. Because most likely, you will fall in one of the following categories. You have either already graduated, or is currently graduating, from a STEM discipline, or an MBA program. For those of you who don't know what STEM is, STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics, where engineering includes all the branches of engineering, and mathematics includes statistics and commerce as well. MBA stands for Master of Business Administration and is also known by the names PGPM, PGDM, PGDBM, etc. MBA is done in disciplines like General Management, Operations Management, Supply Chain Management, Human Resource Management, Finance, Marketing, Information Management, to name a few. You are someone who spends over 25% of your weekly hours working on Excel. So, if you consider a 5-day working week of 8 hours a day, which amounts to 40 hours a week, out of that if you spend more than 10 hours a week on Excel, then this course is suitable for you. You are an analyst dealing with data in any functional domain in any organization. By functional domain, we mean organizational functions like sales, marketing, operations, finance, accounts, human resources. The organization can belong to any of the sectors like education, healthcare, insurance, banking, FMCG, infrastructure, so on and so forth. You are a middle level to senior level manager, also known as decision makers, dealing with numbers, who sometimes have to present important data to the stakeholders, both internal and external to the organization. You are one of the budding entrepreneurs, who want to model their business on a spreadsheet, or chalk out a business plan. You are a corporate trainer, aiming to enhance your staff's productivity. You already have some limited knowledge of MS Excel, and want to learn it as a beginner's tool to data analytics. You have aspirations to become a business management consultant. A part of business management consultants' job involves providing solutions to their clients by modeling their clients' business problems onto a spreadsheet application. If you are someone who wants to work in a smart way by eliminating the repetitive work, you can do that by automating your work on Excel through VBA tool and macros. You want to test the limits of the most widely and globally used workplace application. Even educational bodies like NCERT, AICTE and AIMA have recognized MS Office package in their respective syllabuses. It is amazing to note that NCERT has introduced it to students of as early as 6th grade at a very basic level. AICTE has also included practical classes on Excel as a spreadsheet application. AIMA has introduced advanced level analytics with MS Excel to encourage business research mindset. Hence, in an age of data analytics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, where it is becoming a norm for regular employees to gain expertise in certain programming languages like R, SAS, Python and SQL to stay relevant in addition to their domain knowledge, why not explore the hidden potential of MS Excel, which already has a plethora of untouched features as a tool of data analytics. So, mastering MS Excel by taking a deep dive is not optional in a 21st century job, it's a necessity. So, let us make a grand start together, with the best beginner's course there can be, as famous philosopher Aristotle has rightly said, well begun is half done.